So where am I? This is the City Methodist Church in Gary, Indiana. If you want to see population loss, the effects of population loss, I urge you to come to Gary, Indiana, which is just east of Chicago. This is America's ghost town. Gary, Indiana, and the cities around Gary are ghost towns where they only have a tiny fraction of the population they once had, and all of these buildings are abandoned. Like 80% of Gary, Indiana is abandoned. Not just this place, but there's a post office, there's a high school, all of Main Street is abandoned. You have, one or two fast food joints that are still, even the Popeyes fried chicken has closed, a newly opened fast food joint. It's just really sad. It's sad to see all this falling apart. But Gary, Indiana doesn't even have the money to demolish a place like this. There's just too many things to demolish. So why don't I give you a tour of this church, this almost a cathedral, isn't it beautiful? So I'm going to go get my camera and we'll take a little tour here of the City Methodist Church. We're all done with the demography stuff. I'm just going to give you a tour of this facility. The theater. Again, this was in much better condition the first time I visited. Kind of scary to have the stairs collapse. Used to be the access for the choir chamber here. At the back of the church. That is scary. I could walk on that wood to get a view of the church itself, but I ain't going to do it. This used to be an indoor gymnasium and basketball court, but the roof has fallen in. Keep going up. I'm not as scared of abandoned places, but I'm scared of heights. I don't like to fall. Looking down on the gymnasium. Another whole wing out there. Walls just fall down, you know, they fall down on their own. Or vandals, I don't know. I don't even want to go down those stairs. See the facing on the bricks, that deteriorates on its own. That's the stairs I came down, but let's go down here a little into the dark dungeon area. Oh, here we are. We're on the we're in the balcony of the theater. Side is a fire escape and downtown Gary, Indiana. Someone put this netting up, and I don't know why. It's a recent netting is a recent addition. I don't know why they would put it up. Used to be able to climb all the way up to the top of the church, but of course those stairs have deteriorated. There are stairs upward. I can't get to them. So I want to take you outside just so you can look at it from the outside. It's raining. Well, someone's kind enough to leave a trash can here. Dee, 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 dee. New housing here, that's remarkable. It's the only new housing I've seen in Gary is right here. Probably government built. And that hotel has become a housing authority. And here's your outside. Okay, can't walk all the way around. Time to wrap it up. This is the City Methodist Church in Gary, Indiana. I'm getting all rained on. Time to edit these videos and move on.